Barbie's legs need to be warm. Draw the foot on the plate of the snow-white foam. Cut the item. We glue a narrow strip to the sole as a side in a circle. Then add a pink sock. Fix the side part, pressing well. Insert the tongue inside. Pierce holes, insert a gold braid, carefully stretch it, and make a beautiful fashion lacing. Cut the tips. Decorate with a golden heart. The shoes are ready for a walk. Fleece and foam are combined with lightning. Wrap golden half-round sidewalls and glue the fleece to the zipper from another side. Add 2 long handles to wear a bag on the shoulder. Look inside, what's in there? A wonderful tiny handbag. Connect the foam to a holographic plate. On the reverse side, fix a strip. Put a pencil, fix, lipstick, fix again. Put the phone and fix the tip. Cut, fold the purse, put a rubber band, and decorate with a bow. Cool! Twist thin wire. On the tip, we put a flower and fix with a rhinestone. Cut the ball chain and make 3 pentacles. Fix them with hot glue over the flower. We've got nice earrings. We make a hole in the cardboard and hang a couple of tiny earrings. Beautiful! On an adhesive foam plate, we draw a funny kitty face. Cut along the line. We repeat the figure with yellow fleece. We glue a lilac topping, a golden unicorn horn, and purple ears. We draw closed eyes. Do not forget about the lashes. We remove the paper layer, glue tape tips, and close with a yellow workpiece. Wonderful! Barbie can't wait to try a sleeping mask. Thin plastic cords are finely cut. We get a rainbow sprinkling. Stick a polymer clay ball. Ready! Cut the middle of a thick straw and get a real donut. 6 delicious donuts! Generously cover the donut with a layer of strawberry glaze polish. And gently decorate the sprinkle. Now your favorite chocolate glaze and dairy vanilla striped. Preparing realistic doll donuts. Very beautiful and so sweet. Good layer of glaze with different tastes and lots of bright festive sprinkles. Prepare a box of cardboard. We fold the sides exactly along the lines. Fix the shape, put a napkin, and fill the box with delightful donuts. Barbie wants to try it. Delicious! Tiny pink boots from a cover. Very stylish and spacious bag. A mirror purse with a phone and lipstick inside. A set of new earrings, and your favorite sweet donuts for tea.